Hey folks, and welcome to week number 6. So this week, 2 turn-in dates, again, some readings and reading discussion. These are actually going to get us started on Unit 3, which is going to start next week, but I wanted you to have some readings done before we did this, and I'll show those to you in a second. So I want you to read Essay Organization, paying particular attention to the Common Organizational Schema section, and then write and submit your Essay 2 draft. So let's take a real quick look. Let me note, first and foremost, that these are readings are not all readings. Some of them are different things, okay? Excuse me. So, Cooking Lessons is an article on being. This links you to the audio recording as a podcast episode. This will link you to the webpage. So if you would like to listen to this episode of the podcast when you're on the road or working out or whatever, you can go here and do it. If you're going to sit at your computer, you can do it right here. Okay? This is a brief TED Talk video. This is an interesting piece. I want you to take a look and see if you can figure out what it is. It's a piece of performance art in some ways, okay? Now, there's a discussion this week that I would like you to dig into as well. So I want you to read all of these. These two, again, are the same piece. One is the link to the website, and the other one is the audio directly. So these 1, 2, 3, 4 pieces I want you to read, listen to by Thursday, and then start your discussion, of course. Quick video here on how to view feedback if you need that. Then this link to the organizational schema chapter from Writing Commons and the Essay 2 draft. So this week is really about some readings that are going to get us prepped for next week, and you guys, of course, working on essay number 2. If you've got any questions along the way, please don't hesitate to let me know. I'm here to help.